Hey there, welcome to the channel. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to easily change your WhatsApp business account to a normal or personal WhatsApp account. Make sure to watch till the end to fully understand the steps. First, open your WhatsApp business app and tap on the three dots in the top right corner to access the settings. Within the settings, tap on Chats and then scroll down to open Chat Backup. Here, back up all your WhatsApp data by selecting your Google account for backup and granting the necessary permissions. Once the backup is complete, go back to the home screen and open the regular WhatsApp app. Agree and continue. Enter the phone number you want to convert and follow the prompts to switch to WhatsApp Messenger. Keep in mind that switching will delete your business information, including catalogs, greetings, and labels. Verify your phone number with the OTP sent by WhatsApp. Complete the verification and set up your name and profile picture if desired. And that's it! Your WhatsApp account is now converted from business to a normal or personal account. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video.